How to fix Snapchat lag in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the Snapchat app. Now click on Snapchat and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Snapchat. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then press and hold on Snapchat and then click on uninstall. After uninstall your Snapchat, then reinstall it. After that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.